Your seatbelt must be fastened low and tight across your lap. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened even when the seatbelt sign is off.
Please take a moment to look around in order to familiarize yourself with the aircraft. This Boeing 737 is equipped with 4 exit doors, 2 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are opened in an emergency, slides will automatically inflate. In a water landing, forward door slides detach from the aircraft and serve as extra flotation. Do not use the aft exits unless advised by a crew member. You will also find 4 life rafts located in marked compartments. 2 are located in ceiling compartments in the forward cabin, and 2 are in ceiling compartments after the overwing exits. There are also 4 window exits over the wings. If needed, lifelines are located in the window frames after the overwing exits. All 8 exits are marked with target signs. As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seat, remember, they may be behind you.
If you are seated in an exit row, you may be asked to assist the crew during an evacuation. If you are unable or uncomfortable performing exit row functions and assisting in an emergency, please ask a flight attendant to be moved. If you must evacuate the aircraft, exit path lights on or near the floor will illuminate and guide you to the exit. Look for a change in color or an exit sign to indicate that you have reached an exit. For everyone's safety, leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft.
If necessary, oxygen masks will drop from a compartment above your seat and ceiling compartments in the lavatories. If a strap appears and you cannot reach the mask, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the straps. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secured before helping others.
Engine start up here.
Should you need it, you will find a light vest equipped with the water-activated light in a pouch under, between, or next to your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. If present, remove the strap from around the pouch. Tear open the pouch, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head, wrap the belt around your waist, and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end and tighten. Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube.
This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary.
Smoking, vaping, using e-cigarettes, or smokeless tobacco are not allowed on this aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions.
Now boarding.
It's bumpy.
Make sure you've switched all smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode. For taxi, takeoff, and landing, large electronic devices must be turned off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow all devices. We'll be taking off soon. Please review the safety card located near your seat, stow your tray table, personal device holder, food and beverages, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest. Make sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please place your personal item under the seat in front of you. If you lose your phone or other device under a seat, ask a flight attendant to help find it. Please do not move the seat, as this can damage the device and its battery.
We know that who you choose to travel with matters as much as where you're going. So thank you for choosing to fly with United.
In the unlikely event oxygen is needed on today's flight, remove any face coverings before putting on your oxygen mask. If you're seated in an exit row, we encourage you to open up the window shade for taxi and takeoff. In just one moment, we're going to have to turn off the festive Christmas or Mexico lights, and we're going to dim the cabin light, so please buckle your seatbelt over your blanket and clothing so that we can see it when we come to the cabin. If you need anything, just press your call button. Thanks again for flying with us, and I'll be back with more details about today's flight once we're in the air. We'll be coming by to pick up any beverages provided to you by the flight attendant. Flight attendants, please complete final safety checks and be seated.
Just after my 21st birthday, after almost 4 years of treatment, I was finally cancer-free. My mom's like, where do you want to go to celebrate? I'm like, let's go somewhere tropical. And then pilot hopped in the intercom and started talking about me, and I was like, what is going on here?
My wife had cancer too, and I wanted to celebrate his special moment. We bought him drinks and donuts. We all signed a card.
Cancer may have started the flight, but he definitely finished it. I was smiling even here. Best flight ever for sure.
That's how good things go.
What the heck? Oh. We're going full? Oh, we're going a little bit more. Here we go. Look, we're going over there. We're going over to the left. We're going to the left. The runway Oh dang. Smoke. Smoke. Steam just came out the engines. I think that means the engine is pretty new. I'm serious, I just have to come out the engine. Did you see it? I'll show you the highlights of the We're doing